Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my blog and YouTube channel. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. So this is a super cute little build. Has a little magnet in it. It's got, you know, a little room for a few little treats. It's a little treat holder. So this is the Naturally Eclectic Designer Series paper, but I'm going to use the Tutti Frutti in the example I'm going to share with you today. So I have a piece of cardstock that's 4 1/4 by 6 1/2, and on the long side I'm going to score at 2 1/8, 2 3/4, 4 7/8, and 5 1/2. I'm going to flip it on the short side and I'm going to score at 5/8 of an inch. I usually count so I don't screw up on each side. All right, so we're going to fold and burnish all of our score lines. And then we need to cut away some things. So the leftover one here is the lid, and what we're going to do is go all nice and straight down the rectangle to the second score line. Same with this, straight down to the second score line. Then you're going to cut off that rectangle because we don't need it. And even if you didn't even want these little tabs, you don't have to use them. I will wedge out just because I find that it helps the box close nicer, but you can omit these completely if you wanted. Okay, so these are the middle tabs, and I'm going to wedge that out, and this one as well. Okay, so with it being on the, this is the inside, I'm just going to put a little bit of fast fuse right on that, on those two tabs, and then straight down on the front piece. So the tab is going to go inside, or sorry, outside, and adhere to the back of the panel. And then this one will just come straight around just like that. Awesome, hey? All right, so Designer Series paper, I'm using Tutti Frutti. This is 2 3/4 by 1 7/8. And on the back as well. Can't forget the back. And then I have a 2 3/4 by 3/4 of an inch, and I'm going to use a corner rounder. So this is by EK Success, but you can use any corner rounder you have, if you have a corner rounder, or you can omit this. So I'm just picking and I think this is a one inch. So again, I will go ahead and do the flap as well. I think it makes for a prettier finish. And then just a little bit of fast fuse. And you know what I forgot to do, kids? I forgot to put the magnet on. So we will peel it up. There we go. And let me put my magnets on. Okay, so I have two magnets here. These are neodymium magnets. Everybody asked me where I got them from. They're from Spider Magnets. I believe that these are the 0.5 millimeter by 8 millimeter or something. And the last time I looked, they were sold out. So whichever ones that you can get a hold of. You could also use a little Velcro Maybe Amazon might have something, but they're really thin, right? All right, so now I can put that DS. It was crooked anyway. You probably didn't notice that, but I did. So I've hidden that little magnet. Ta-da! Super cute little box. Love it. I'm not even going to stamp on that one. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.